Good afternoon, Mr. Mark Kalimlim. I'm Jamaica Hera El de la Peña and I will be your nurse student for today. So, how would you like to call you?
Mark will be fine.
Okay, so for today, we will doing control and deep breathing. So, this will help your respiratory functioning and will inhibit any air collapse, and also it's help when you have prolonged coughing so you don't feel warm. So, it okay if I teach you?
Yes.
So now, I have a patient assume, so semi-position. So Mr. Mark, I want you to do this inhale, but if you exhale, I want you to cough out 2 times. So, could you cough out here? So, would you like inhale, exhale, and cough? Okay, that's good. So this time, I want you to learn forward a bit and I want you to inhale, and as you exhale, I want you to do this a half sound like ha, like that, okay? Inhale, exhale. Inhale with half sound. Inhale, exhale. And do it again, inhale, exhale. If you want to do it again, but divide rapidly, okay? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Mark. I want you to rest for a while and avoid prolonged coughing, okay?
Okay.
So now, I will ask my patient and I listen for the lung sounds. So, can you take off your shirt? Okay, so I want you to breathe out normally. Okay, please turn around. So I will isolate your prothorax. Okay, thank you. So, how was the exercise?
It was fine.
So, okay, you manage the exercise and you would like to do it next time?
Yes,
On your own?
I can.
Okay, so you remember you can do this exercise anytime you feel like doing, especially when you have a prolonged coughing and you did not warm out. So, thank you, Mr. Mike.
Thank you also.